Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well and we welcome you to our YouTube channel. And those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe soon. We start our video without wasting our time, so let's start our video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on post and story notification for Instagram. So first of all, you have to just open your Instagram app and you have to select the profile for which you have to turn on this notification. For example, I will select this page. Now you can see the following option, you have to just click on it. Now you can see the second option, that is notification, you have to just click on it. Here you can see different option, you have to just turn on post and stories. So this is how to turn on post and story notification for Instagram. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching our video. To watch more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel.